Good morning, everybody. I hope you are doing well. Yeah, as we can see, Mr. Mbada, I think everybody knows that Mr. Mbada trades using the bulletproof strategy, which is trading the high of the day and the low of the day. Let me put the market on the 5-minute chart like this one. As you can see, this is the high of the day, and that's when, for example, according to bulletproof strategy, you see like for those which attended the first class of the bulletproof strategy, you know everything about this aggressive going up and then reaching this point in like identifying the high of the day. I'm really sure some of my mentees they grasp all these concepts. They know how to identify the high of the day and the low of the day. So according to my strategy, you enter a sell over here and then just destroying the market just a little bit. This is a confirmed, and come rain, come thunder, when the market reaches the high of the day, it will come down. And then but as you know, I'm in India. At this time, this was around in the morning today. I woke up late. I woke up around 10 or 11 a.m. in Indian time. So I wake up when the market, let me put it on a 1-minute chart. I woke up when the market was around somewhere here, and I was like, you know what? I've missed the high of the day, and I was sleeping. It's not my problem. So one of my friends over here, they use different strategies to make money online, to make money on the reef. So one of my friends, he's not my friend inside, but like one of my associates, was like, you know what, Mr. Mbada, like come and see my scalping strategy. So this guy, I tried to teach him, like he's one of my guys, and like he didn't have time, to learn how to trade. So it was like, I'm just, I mastered this scalping strategy on my demo account. So he was trading it on his real account. I was like, oh man, just let me see. So this guy, he was like, for example, he was just going, he was using a 1-minute time frame. So after using 1-minute time frame, you will be just enter a trade where the trend is going on a 1-minute time frame. Like over here, like just look at my arrow. If the market is starting going up, you enter a buy over here, and then you just try to to scalp even like, for example, few pips. For example, if you entered a lot size of 1.0, you just, like, for example, if it moves like 1, 2, 3 and you get out. Doing that like repeatedly, you was making some amount of money. For example, over here, if you are scalping, let me try to demonstrate. This is a real account. Let me put it on let me try to demonstrate for you what was he doing. So he was like, you know what, let me put the smallest lot. For example, like here, the market is as if it's now moving downward. So here you just put a sell and just wait if the market just move a little bit, like right now, as you can see here, it has moved and then it was going to close. So he was doing this, and as you can see here, we have closed in profit. So he was doing this repeatedly, because the market is on a range market. The markets, for me, I don't trade range markets. My mentees, they know that I don't trade range markets. So as you can see here, the market is not moving. It has not decided yet either it's going up or it's going to continue going down, since this is I confirmed the high of the day. So I was like, you know what, it seems interesting. You're not risking. And he was saying that if the market tries to go against him for example, for 3 or 4 pips against him, he was going to close. So he was having some profits and some losses, some profits and some losses. So after, for example, 1 hour or 2 hours, he was having a significant amount of profit. As you know, trading is far much better than gambling. But what he was doing looks like gambling. So I was like, you know what, man? Let me try. So let me try to put my phone on the screen so that you can see. As you can see here, this is the same account. Let me put it over here. This is the same account. As you can see here, there is $8. Just look at the small arrow, or the small pointer on the phone. As you can see, this is $8.85. I'm sorry about that. My dog is making a lot of noise. Let's hope it's not disturbing my audio. My dog is making a lot of noise, but it's fine, no problem. As you can see, it's the same over here, $8.85, and it's a real account. As you can see, I don't trade demo. It's a real account. It's a real account. That's my name. My mentee knows my name. It's a real account. And as you can see over here, again on the laptop, it's a real account over here saying the real server over there. So I was like, you know what, man? Let me just try it. As I said that, for example, over here you buy and you get out. For example, if the market continues going up, you buy, get out, buying, get out. When you said, for example, over here, maybe you buy and the market start coming down, you close, and that will be a small loss, and then you start selling, closing, just like that. Like, for example, if the market decides to go up, he was going to go up with it. If the market decided to come down, he was coming down with it. Just like that, because the market is not moving, it's on a range market. As you can see here, the market, let me try to do this. The market is not moving anywhere. As you can see here, let me put this line and this line as well. The market is not moving, it's on a range market. As for me, I don't actually encourage my students or my mentees to trade a range market, because there will be some false breakouts, and it's so easy. I don't like this stress. I don't like to I want to enter trades which I know that they are 100% confirmed, or they are 99%, or I'm so much sure. Then I will enter. Like over here, as you can see, the market has reached at the high of the day. So what will I do? I'll put a sell trade. As you can see, the market even tries to come up, but since this is the high of the day, come rain, come thunder, even the devil himself, he can't make it go up, because this is the high of the day. It will fall down dramatically. So I was like, you know what? Let me just try. Let me give it a try, because I know I would have played to strategy, but it's good to learn something. Let me remove this one. It's good to just learn something from others. So I was like, it's fine. Let me try it out. So I think you should now look at my phone. So I deposited around my phone. Let me try to fix it. It's not showing anymore. Exactly. So I deposited around, let me try to do this and see. As you can see, all you can see, this is a real account. As I told you, I made a deposit of $756, and I was like, it's okay, man, let me try. As you can see, I was on step index, and I was like, for example, at first I was afraid. I was using a 10 lot size. Please, before I continue, don't try this at home, guys. Don't ever try this at home to use this lot size. Only Mr. Mbada can lose it. Only Mr. Mbada can use it on small accounts, because it's very risky. Don't try this at home. You blow your account. As you can see, this was $10. I was making my $10. I was so afraid now how you can scalp. I was like, it's fine. I was getting more comfortable. As you can see, I was making $20. I was like, I know what, I'm now flexible with this strategy, with this small beginner strategy. I don't know what I can call it, a scalping strategy. That's when I was started going big, $80, 110, 130, and 200. And you know what? I was like, you know what? Once I made above $1,000, I was like, you know what? Me, I'm done. This type of gambling, trading or something like that, it's not me. As for me, I'm used to to trade the high of the day, and then I would destroy the market. I would dismantle the market. I would disgrace it. The market. And then I'll be relaxing on free trades, on free stress trades for the rest of the day, and then around evening I'll just close my profits. That's what I'm used to. But I was like, I know what, let me try. But the results, they are amazing. The results are amazing, guys. I don't know. As you can see here, the deposit was 700, and this is almost the half of my deposit. Half of my equity. This is almost half of my deposit. I was about to double the account. but I just made half of my balance. It's not nice. I can say that, yeah, I can't complain. It's fine. It's not that bad. So I don't know, guys, what do you think about this strategy? Just trade the trade. As you can see, I made a withdrawal of 1,100. I was like, it's fine, I'm done. So this $8, I'm going to trade it today. As you know me, I like growing accounts. I like growing accounts. I'll try to trade it on live over here. I'll try to trade it live, because as for me, guys, I will grow an $8 account to a $100 account and grow it from $100 account to nearly 500 or 700. Because me, I trade the high of the day and the low of the day. When you trade the high of the day, as you can see, you enter a trade somewhere here and then you relax, hoping it will come over here. That's it. That's how I do, That's what I do. So I'm able to grow small accounts. For example, this on a single day, this $8, I can take it, for example, to $32, and then just trading risk stress-free trade. So I'll be doing that, and I hope I'll record so that you guys, you can see my strategy. You can see my strategy. You can see how I'll be doing it. So I don't know. What do you think about this scalping strategy? For example, as I illustrated you, as you can see here, the market seems as if it's coming down currently. And then you just put a sell. If it just moves somewhere slightly around here, you close. But if it continue going up or around here, you close as a loss. Scalping. These guys, that's what they are doing, and they are making a lot of money. Sometimes they make money, sometimes they lose money. Yeah, but I don't know. What do you think about this scalping strategy? I just wanted to share it to you. I just tried it, but I can't judge it because I just did it today only. I just did it today, so maybe I don't think I will continue. I was planning, continue doing it for a week and see the results, but I don't think I will do it. That's not my strategy. That's not who I am. But in this trading industry, you continue learning new things every day. Yeah, it is what it is. May the grace of the Lord be with you all. It's Mr. Mbada. I'm signing out.